Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming what you still control. This matters because YouTube uses Google account signals to verify you. Check the linked email and phone now and locate any recovery email, phone, device, or saved backup codes. If you have the device you last used, keep it nearby since two-step signals help. Once done, write down recent sign-in times, locations, and the account creation date. Those details speed up automated checks and human reviews when you proceed to account recovery. Open the Google Account Recovery flow and enter your YouTube email. You must respond to prompts, so move deliberately. Select the verification method you can access, phone, recovery email, or backup codes, and follow each step. When asked for specifics, supply exact data. Account creation date, previous passwords, and device names you used. Make sure to use the same browser and device you normally sign in from because consistent signals increase success rates. If a prompt fails, try a different. Once verified, reset your password to a strong, unique passphrase and enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. Update recovery email and phone right away so you can regain access faster if needed. If you cannot pass automated checks, prepare an account appeal, include creation date, payment receipts, channel ID, and device history. These facts help human reviewers. One troubleshooting tip: attempt recovery from the location and device you usually use because matching patterns, location, IP, and device greatly improves the chance of reclaiming access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.